Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Angel Emerole. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make shawarma bread or pita bread. My name is Akeenzy. Welcome to my kitchen. First and foremost, I'm going to start by fermenting my yeast. I'll be doing this process using a Tipid water, that is a slightly warm water. Do not use a hot or a cold water. I'll be adding sugar into the water to activate the yeast. So I'm adding 3 tablespoons of active dry yeast, after which I will mix them together and set it aside to ferment. So this is how the mixture looks like before it ferments. So you have to cover this and set it aside. These are the dry ingredients: 2 cups of flour, 1/4 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then I'm going to mix this together and set it aside. After mixing the dry ingredients, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of butter into the flour and start mixing it with my thumbs until I get a bread-like texture. It may seem as if I'm fast here, but you are going to mix this slowly until you get the texture required, a bread-like texture. Make sure you mix this using your thumbs. It will make the work very easy for you. After mixing the butter into the flour and you get this bread-like texture, that means you are ready for the next stage. So the yeast is now fermented and foamy. I'm going to pour this into the flour mixture. I'm going to pour the yeast into the flour mixture and mix this together until a dough is formed. If today is the first time of coming to my channel, you are welcome. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. And to all my returning viewers, thank you for your support. I really appreciate you guys. So I will keep mixing this until a dough is formed. Now the dough is formed. I will keep kneading the dough until the dough is elastic, because I need an elastic and a stretchy dough. So I will take this dough now to my working surface to knead it until it is elastic. I'll be kneading this for about 5 to 8 minutes to get that stretchy dough. I'm done kneading for 5 to 8 minutes, so I'm going to transfer the dough into a bowl. But make sure that you transfer it into a floored bowl. Floor your bowl before you transfer the dough to avoid the dough from sticking to the pan. Make sure you flood the top of the dough and cover this. Set it aside to rise for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'm going to bring out the dough so I can cut this into 6 pieces. I want to do 6 shawarma breads, so I'm going to cut this dough into 6 pieces. I'll be molding out each piece into a ball. I have 6 pieces of shawarma wrap dough, so I'll be molding each piece of the shawarma wrap dough into a ball before rolling it. So taking my dough to a flat surface, I'm going to roll this in a circular form because I need a round circular shawarma bread. So I'm going to roll this in a circular form. If the shawarma sticks to your rolling pin, just sprinkle a little bit flour and keep rolling. When rolling the dough, make sure the dough is not too flat. There should be a bit of thickness, so don't roll it to be too flat, but make sure you roll this dough in a circular form. After I'm done rolling, I'll be placing them in a plate before I can now toast them. So guys, these are my 6 shawarma wraps. I'm done rolling them, so now let's get them to the fire. In a non-sticky pan, I'll be placing each shawarma wrap in the pan. The pan should not contain any oil or water. So these shawarma wraps will be toasted on a low heat, very low heat, to avoid them from getting burnt. You can see some form of bubbles. Make sure you press those down. Yes, you don't need them, so make sure you press them down. Keep pressing those bubbles before you flip the shawarma wrap to toast the other side. Keep toasting the shawarma bread, pressing down the bubbles, flipping the shawarma wrap until the shawarma is kind of a little bit brown, light brown, yeah. So don't let it get burnt oh. Don't let it get burnt. Make sure the pan is on a low heat, very low heat. So keep flipping the shawarma wrap, and as you can see, just a little bit brown color here and there, then you take it out of the fire. You do this to the rest of the shawarma wraps and you are good to go. These are the shawarma wraps. I'm going to store this in the refrigerator to when I'm ready to use them. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also guys, turn on the notification bell so you miss a thing from my channel. So comment below and tell me how you love your shawarma feelings. See you next time. Bye.